Say hello to ClassPoint, an interactive teaching tool that directly plugs into Microsoft PowerPoint and transform your teaching presentations. It is designed with the following 3 main features. The inking tools allow you to annotate on any slides to better explain important concepts or elaborate your ideas, and it works best with digital inking hardware such as touchscreen laptops or interactive whiteboards. Furthermore, you can add unlimited new slides on the fly and use them as whiteboards. All annotations will be saved together with the slides they are on. Let students join your presentations using an auto-generated unique class code. Unlimited number of students can be connected wherever they are by simply using a web browser. Once joined, they will be able to follow your slideshow, receive updated annotations, save any slides as needed, and most importantly, submit their responses to questions you ask. With our interactive quizzing tools, you can easily turn any slides into questions. During slideshow, when the question buttons are clicked, every student will be engaged and submit their answers in real time. What's more, responses collected will be natively saved as new slides for further editing and review. If any of the 3 features can make your PowerPoint presentations more engaging, ClassPoint is for you. Download it for free now.